this video is about Introduction to Statistics. What is statistic? The word statistic is derived from classical Latin root status, which means state. This statistic has been introduced many years ago. Statistic has become the universal language of sciences. Many of us, or most of us, using statistic in our everyday activities. As potential users of statistics, we need to master both the science and the art of using statistical methodology correctly. If we can use this statistic correctly, so we can make a correct decision in our activities, our daily activities. In today's business world, you need to think differently about statistics. Statistics not only for statistician or for the person who involved in data or numbers, but it is for everybody as we deal with statistics in our daily life. Modern day information technology enable businesses to apply statistics in many new ways to solve business problems by utilizing vast amount of summarized, unsummarized, numerical and non-numerical data, the facts about the world. In order to do that, there are many software already developed to help us to perform difficult calculation, to help us to present our data, and to help us to make decisions in our daily life activities. So statistics are generally consist of methods that allow people to effectively work with data. Statistics provides a formal basis to summarize and visualize data. From there, we can reach conclusion from the data that we use, and then we can make reliable prediction about the activities based on the data or based on the information that we got from the data. And finally, we can improve the processes. So basically, this is the statistical framework. What we did was we define, we collect, we organize, we visualize, and finally we analyze. Okay, we need to define the data that we want to investigate or we want to study in order for us to solve the problem or to meet the objective. After we have know all the data that we want, all the objective that we want to achieve, then we need to collect the data from appropriate sources. After we got all the data that we have, we need to organize the data so that we can have a clear view on the data that we collected. By developing tables, we can also visualize the information of the data that we get by developing charts. Based on the tables and charts that we already developed, we can analyze the data and reach conclusions. After that, we can present those results from the data that we have to the person who is interested in the finding of the data. Nowadays, statistics is used in most all fields. For example, in education, in agriculture, businesses, health, sport, financial, to name a few. There are two main aspects in statistics, which are theoretical statistics and applied statistics. In theoretical statistics, as it names, it is about the theory, where we develop, we derive, and prove of theorems, formulas, rules, and laws. While in applied statistics is where we apply those theorem, formulas, rules, laws that we already developed in theoretical statistics to solve real life problems. Under applied statistics, there are two branches which are descriptive and inferential statistics. In descriptive is actually the methods for collecting, organizing, analyzing, and summarizing data. While inferential is the method that uses results obtained from sample to derive conclusion about a population. These are common examples of descriptive and inferential statistics. Under descriptive, for example, we have estimation of number of students, boys and girls separately in a school. While for inferential, we do some inference about the data. We come up with average marks obtained by all the students. Another example, population of particular county or city, and we have grades or percentile of the score, average score in cricket for inferential statistic. Another example for descriptive statistic, estimation of number of damaged or cavity teeth by a dentist, while inferential we have prediction by a dentist about the teeth that are susceptible to have cavity or damage in the future. So this is as actually the introduction to open your eyes about statistics. With that, thank you.